Hi, I am Moon. Nice to meet you. Did you know that, like me, there are thousands of satellites in space? Of course, I am the most important, but several of them are very important too, like communications satellites in geo orbit. If you want to use one of them, you will need a SATCOM terminal, like this one here. Do you want to try? Oh, before starting, make sure you align the virtual north on the compass with the real north in order to know exactly the satellite's position in the sky.
Okay, I have a compass here, let's do that. Yeah, I just realized it is not a good idea to have a compass near electronic devices. So I put my controller on the ground and now I can have a proper north direction. Setting. Yeah, I think that's good enough. Oh, that's not too easy with the headset. Let's get the controller and turn on the satellite receiver. I have a list of satellites that I filled before with the orbital position of several satellites. The software will calculate the azimuth and elevation of each satellite. As you just saw, we have the precise location of the GX1 in space, and we are showing the connection between the satellite receiver and the satellite. Let's try with another satellite. GX2, for example. Yeah, GX2 is there, and as you can see from the position we are now, it has a much lower elevation than the GX1. And with geostationary satellites, you would prefer the satellites with higher elevation when it's possible to choose. So I plot this. Oh, hi, Miss Moon. So I plot this arc in the sky, and any geostationary satellite should be somewhere inside this arc. For example, we have a GX5 there, and I know the satellite is just over Europe, and I am now in Italy, so that's why I have a much higher elevation and would be a better condition to connect with this satellite than other with a lower elevation, for example. Also, other fantastic use of augmented reality is to help to place objects where they actually should be. For example, this satellite receiver needs a direct line of sight with the satellite, so we cannot have anything blocking the path between the receiver and the satellite. For example, a building, a mountain, or a virtual dark gray box. What we are doing, we are moving to a better position where we will have a direct line of sight with the satellite and thus allowing connection, for example. I am quite impressed with the level of reality we can achieve with the Quest 3 and how everything is locked on the ground. Actually, when I removed my headset, I was like, where's all my stuff? And 2 seconds later, oh yeah, it's all virtual.